Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss writing variable on x and y axis, and we will also discuss why time is always written on x axis. Before going further, if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming videos. So first of all, we will discuss that why we write time or any other variable on x-axis and y-axis, and what is the difference between writing variables on x and y-axis. So first of all, we will discuss the type of variables, and we have two types of variables. The first one is dependent variables, and the next one is independent variable. So as the name shows, the dependent variable depends upon the increasing or decreasing of the independent variable, and the independent variable is the one who does not require any dependency on other. So first of all, we will discuss the examples of dependent and independent variable. Dependent variable include speed or acceleration, etc., and independent variable is time. So the independent variable is always written on x-axis. For example, in case of velocity or speed and time, we will write time on x-axis and speed on y-axis, and the reason behind this is that the time goes on passing without following velocity. For example, we are going on a bike, and we started our journey at 9 o'clock, and we have to reach at our destination at 12 o'clock, and due to some incidents we have to reduce our speed, and we require 4 to 5 hours to reach our distance. It means that we will not reach on the destination at 12 o'clock, we will reach there at 2 or 1 o'clock. It means that our speed decreases, and but the time goes on passing, and it passed from 12 to 2 p.m. Now we will discuss an example to understand the concept in a better way. So we have a car, and we are at point A, and after covering some distance we have to reach at point B, and the time is 9 o'clock. We will reach at point B at 12 o'clock. Now the time is started and we started our journey, but due to some bad road conditions we reduced our speed, and when we reduced our speed we reached at the point B at 2 o'clock. It means that we can reduce the speed, and it was a dependent variable. We reduced the speed, but the time goes on increasing, and When we reached at point B, it means that the time is not dependent on speed and it goes on passing. So in case of representing it on axis, we will take time on x-axis because it was a independent variable, and speed on y-axis. So this is the concept behind writing any variable on x-axis and y-axis. The independent variable will always written on x-axis and dependent variable will be always written on y-axis. Hope you will enjoy the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming tutorials.